subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Carbon Mobile has launched the world's first carbon fiber phone in the European market called Carbon One Mark II. And the company says that the carbon fiber consists of multi 1K and 3K ultra thin filament that makes it stronger than steel and lighter than aluminium. Talking about the specifications, the Carbon One Mark II features a 6.01-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio P90 chipset paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Carbon One Mark II supports a dual 16MP camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has an 20MP camera under the top bezel with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it comes equipped by 3000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 153.5 by 74 by 6.3 mm and it weighs around 125 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Carbon One Mark II has been priced in the European market at €799 and the smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in black color option and it is set to go on sale later this month. So what do you guys think of this Carbon One Mark II smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.